How to fix screen not responding to touches in Samsung Galaxy phones. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. The first and foremost step is to restart your device. Simply go to settings and then search for restart, or you can just use the restart button in using the power button, and if the problem goes away, that's fine, but if not, go to settings and then go to display. After that, make sure touch sensitivity is turned on and your problem should be fixed. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.